My name is Janika. I am your German teacher. Welcome to the Male German article part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, please watch part 1. It is important. So let's start with part number 2. In the last video we learned how to define nouns by their suffix, or at least male nouns by their suffix. So today what we do is a little bit different. We have a look at groups which are male, like semantic groups. The first most important group for male nouns are official job titles, of course. Like in English it's like the teacher, and it doesn't matter if the teacher is male or female. In German language it does matter. So example giving: der Lehrer is a male teacher, or der Mechaniker is a male mechatronic, anybody who works with cars. So yeah, all those male job titles are of course with a male article, and you need to be aware of it. I know it's difficult because English does not have this distinction. I just know one exception in English, which is the actor and the actress. So you need to imagine that every job is divided into male and female. Yeah, how we do German job titles for the female form you will learn in another video. So let's go on with male nouns by semantic groups. Another interesting group is are the seasons. Yeah, so winter, spring, and so on. All is male. Der Winter, der Frühling, der Sommer, the summer, der Sommer, the winter, der Winter. And yeah, this is actually a little bit interesting. Many alcoholic drinks are male. Yeah, der Wodka, der Whisky, der Wein. So I have to admit I don't know that many alcoholic drinks because I don't drink alcohol, but those were a few examples, and we need to be aware of one exception, which is das Bier, which is neutral. Das Bier, the beer, but most other alcoholic drinks are masculine. Okay, were a few examples. There are more semantic groups. I will put them in the description. And yeah, I hope that you had fun with the video. I hope to see you in one of my next videos, and maybe you could give me a like or subscribe the channel, or maybe follow me on Instagram. So see you soon.